Payments aren't just about transactions. At Antom, payments as a strategy involves a holistic view of payments, including payment processing, risk management, technology, efficiency. Beyond that, valuable add-ons that help business think beyond payments, such as customer experience, customer retention, and also overall business growth. Asia, for an example, is a high-growth region many global brands are interested in. Asia is one of the fastest-growing regions, but it's not easy to cater to the consumers in the region, given the fragmented payment landscape. Antom is in a very unique position to help business unlock this opportunity, given our extensive Asian payment methods coverage, our network of brand partners and wallet partners, as well as industry and government agency. What's important is understanding globalization, cross-border transactions, and the demands around global commerce and payments preferences. Even if you don't, make sure you choose a partner that does. This is true for global brands, which a lot of brands are these days because once you're online, you're selling to the world. One thing rings true anywhere in the world. Customers expect fast, intuitive, and secure transactions. Being able to meet those expectations will be essential. Adding payments to your business strategy means you think beyond just payments. This holistic view is important when you're having global business. First of all, you must get the right payment solution that lets you cater to your audience. As businesses expand internationally, offering diverse payment options becomes vital to accommodate local preferences and regulations. Being able to handle cross-border payments efficiently can drive international growth and reduce friction in global commerce. Next is technology. Adopting payment technologies that streamline transactions, such as real-time payments, can help business manage cash flow more efficiently. Quicker payment processing means faster access to funds, which is crucial for scaling operations, reinvesting in growth, and managing overall financial health. Another key thing is revenue. Think of revenue as new revenue streams and what can impact revenue, such as risk management, investment, regulatory compliance, and cost efficiency. Especially when expanding to new markets, businesses need to factor in all this for long-term growth. So I think it's crucial to consider payments as a part of your strategy for 2025 and beyond.